Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Microsoft Edge is not responding issue in Windows computer guys. Let's fix it guys. For that open up Microsoft Edge and go to three dot icon over here. Select settings. Left side you need to search for system and performance. Select it. On right side you need to under system, just need to uncheck it guys. Use hardware acceleration when available, just need to uncheck this and select restart, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. But if you not get resolved, let's move on to the next solution guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. We are going to repair this Microsoft Edge. For that, go to installed apps, INSTALLED, open it, search here Edge, ED, Microsoft Edge, select the three dot icon over here and select modify, select yes. Select the repair option guys. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't it be affected. Click on repair guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem guys. Now the Microsoft Edge is relaunching and you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.